لبوبو. ما شاء الله.
حلب مشهورة بالفستق الحلبي. مرحبا مين؟
مرحبا، محلك حلوة كتير.
حلبي، حلب، نظامي أبدا. جاهز؟ جاهز. يلا بسم الله، تعالوا. هذا فستق حلبي جاهز محمص على الأكل.
شكرا عمو.
شكرا.
طيبة. This guy's got all the nuts. Whatever you could think of, he's probably got it. Apricots.
خلص اشربوا قهوة. هلا هون في عندنا خان ثاني تمام بيعود للعهد العثماني. إذا بتدخل من جوا بتطلع كيف تاركين البضايع برا.
السلام عليكم. Oh wow. So this is super old.
It's Ottoman.
Yeah.
Black and white. You see all this stuff? Look, right now, if I took it, look around, no one know. Look, I can go outside. But you see how it's really, really safe? They put everything outside, and no one here, look around you, and no one touch anything.
Nowhere else you'll see this. Maybe Saudi Arabia, places like that. It's real peaceful over here.
Yeah, look.
Assalamu alaikum. There's rugs everywhere. Assalamu alaikum.
Every Khan in the middle, their mosque was built in 1574 by Ibrahim Zada Muhammad Pasha.
MashaAllah. This is where they make wudu. There's drinking water.
MashaAllah.
So this was built in the 1500s. That's crazy.
1574. Jasmine for you. Brush it.
Oh, and your hands smell good?
Exactly. So now we have natural perfumes.
My bro gave me a flower.
To use it as perfume.
It's definitely one of my favorite places I've came to in Syria.
Really?
Yep. I like seeing how people like make their livelihood and like the environment. I haven't seen not one person smoking in here. In Syria, you can smoke in the hotels. They give you an ashtray and everything. Look, there's little clothes sets for the kids. They give them a little dagger.
هذا سوق الحبال. فينك تنام عليها بغرفتك للبيبي الأطفال. مرجوحة. تقعد عليه.
This guy.
اي والله الحمد لله لكن منيح عم يصير نيجي عم تيجي عالم عم يصير حركه.
فيني اشوف المسبح هذا احمر والسوداء.
فشوف موديلات الحجر مبين حجر شايف ثقيل. ما شاء الله ما شاء الله.
هذا زمرد.
زمرد.
هذا ملكاي. هذا غبره قديم.
My dad will like any of the natural stone colors. Like,
one different kind. But I asked for the kind when you use it, it will be warm and they'll smell it coming from dry smell.
oh wow, mashallah.
MashaAllah.
Yeah, mashallah.
هذا مو برد. بس
MashaAllah.
I want to buy one for you too.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay.
نقي واحد and I'm بشتري لك إياها.
ضوء القمر.
Wallah, that one's really nice. If you didn't get this one, I was gonna get it too.
شكرا.
عفوا. عندك واحد مثل هيك كمان؟ يلا.
ايوه.
ايوه.
عشان يصير طعم ها. خلينا تنتين مشان نضل نتذكر بعض.
هذا الصدف. هي هدية مني.
يا عمي والله هيك كثير والله.
الصدف مشان بدي اخوي.
وعز.
الرجل يعني تم عزيزه وقيسي.
لك الله يطول بعمرك.
بدي هذون
وهي.
وهي. وهي.
وهي.
So he weighs it to find the price?
يا. عم يزين الحجر. هاي معهم. شكرا عبد الله كثير حبيتها. على طول راح ادعي لك.
انتوا بالنسبه لنا انتوا الظهر سوريا واهلها.
يخلي لي اياك يا عمو، لك الله يطول بعمرك ويديم عليك الصحه والعافيه. السلام عليكم. مرحبا، كيفك؟ بسموه الفن الدمشقي يلي بيرسم باليدوي، لا كيف بلون.
So he's making all these by hand.
Yes.
كلهم بالإيد. والله ما شاء الله.
طلع كيف طلع بدقة بعد ما يخلص. هلا عم دق بس الألوان. طلع باليد.
والله شكرا.
الله يرزقكم يا رب.
السلام عليكم.
السلام عليكم.
This is hands down my favorite market in Syria that I've been to.
الله حيو هذا بكبير.
Bro, you know everyone.
الله يرزقكم يا رب. السلام عليكم. الله يسلمك يا أمين. قال إذا أحب الله عبدا أحبب الناس به.
Yeah.
فهاي نعمة، محبة الناس نعمة.
My aunt told me the same thing last night.
Really?
Yeah.
هاي لأنه عرفوا حبيتك أنا.
Yeah, I can't wait to come back with a lot of money.
Look what they do here.
Making
Shoes.
all by hand. Marhaba. He's making the sole. Wow. Puts the sole on them afterwards.
Last point where they check every single one. Look how they clean it.
Feels crazy being here, I'm not gonna lie.
هذا حمام.
Oh wow.
حمام انبنى بالقرن ال 11 ميلادي.
That's crazy.
عائشة بنته لصلاح الدين الأيوبي.
Oh wow. Assalamu alaikum. Wow. السلام عليكم. جيت من أمريكا بس أهلي من سوريا.
يا اهلا وسهلا. السلام عليكم السلام.
واو.
اهلا وسهلا سلامات.
Next time I gotta take a bath here.
Exactly.
Yeah. If we had time. ما عنا وقت؟
حابب تاخذ حمام؟
إذا عنا وقت ما عنا ولا؟
هلا لسه في عنا القلعة.
يلا بعدين.
بعدين.
Still destroyed over here. I can only imagine like it looked like this but a little older.
Yeah, just look here.
Yep. Oh wow.
كرامة للرسول يا أخوي لا يتم بحق الخبزة الله يرضى عليك الله يشفيك يا رب العالمين.
Wow. This is crazy. Oh. Man, it is sad. At least they're fixing it up though. That's crazy. I was gonna say, I can only imagine like the kind of stuff that's still buried under the rubble. I'm just like thinking of like how each and every shop would have been open here. The vibe would have been crazy if everything was like, yeah. Oh my God. So all this was on the ground? So all that was on the ground, and now it's fixed up. Syria. Whoa. Look.
Not living, it was like Khan also.
Yeah, like they would come,
Exactly.
stay, and then go.
Yeah.
Yep. Crazy. Man, I really recommend y'all coming here yourselves, man. Like, the video I'm about to post is not gonna do this justice at all. I swear it doesn't. Oh my God. Wow. If you made it to the end of the video, guys, I really appreciate you. Man, we've been killing it the past few weeks. I was not expecting to get this many views just starting out on YouTube. I mean it from my heart. I mean it from my heart. Make sure to subscribe, comment, like, share the video, and I'll see you on the next one.